How to turn off swipe down on lock screen on Android phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how we can turn off swipe down on lock screen on Android phone. So if you're also wondering on how we can do that, in this video, we are going to show you exactly how we can do it. So let's just get started and look out on how we can do that. So if you have the swipe down option of your notification bar with notifications available and you want to turn it off from your lock screen on your Android phone, you just need to head over to the main settings of your phone. So if you have that options available, you can head over to the notification section of your settings and then look for notifications lock screen. Once you're here, you will be finding your notifications right here. So in order to turn it off, you can go ahead and tap on show on always on display and turn it off as well. And that will totally turn off. But if you want to turn it off, you should be able to find an option called swipe down on lock screen to view a notification drawer with a toggle option. If you have that options available in your screen, in your device, you can just go ahead and turn it off. Otherwise, if you want to turn off your notifications from your lock screen, you can look out for the option called lock screen here. Head over there and then go to notifications. You can find this toggle option. You can just turn it off and that is it. That is for now how you can turn off the swipe down on lock screen Android phone. The settings may vary from device to device, so you can look up for the turn up option in the notification section or you directly head over to lock screen settings and that is it. So that's how you turn off your swipe down on lock screen Android device. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.